Whether you love video games or just the rush of competition, the esports industry doesn't just need players anymore. It needs whole teams. And that, combined with the rise of new streaming platforms, accessible game tech, and support from traditional media, has caused an explosion of demand for people with esports know-how to work in a diverse range of roles across the industry. From business developers and programmers to designers and artists, everyone wants in on this hot new industry. Our program sets you up with a rock-solid foundation of esports as a business and gives you exactly what you'll need to enter the esports industry sharp, strategic, and ready to revolutionize how games are played, watched, and experienced. By focusing on esports now, you're setting yourself up for a rare opportunity after graduation to step into the cutting edge of entertainment and even shape the next generation of sports culture. It's not just exciting to be a part of something in its early stages of development, it's valuable. The critical thinking and business skills you'll learn aren't just good for esports, they're universally applicable across all business management. And you'll be able to say that in some small part, you help define key insights for an innovative and growing industry. So no matter where you see yourself in the future, esports management has the potential to help grow your career however fits best for you. With us, you'll learn how esports teams are managed and how they generate revenue, as well as exactly how top esports organizations have grown their success. You'll discover what makes a great team, from designing to pitching to distributing to fans. And you'll get a sense of best practices for team management, event planning, and even tournament organization. The coursework you'll be doing gives you hands-on experience in the frameworks needed to succeed in a real job in esports. You'll design and pitch a game concept. You'll even plan and market your own esports trade show. All of these projects will give you the priceless background and context on the industry that is sure to impress any hiring manager in esports, regardless of the specific role. There's no doubt about it. Esports is an industry created on innovation. And look, where there's innovation, there's opportunity. And where there's opportunity, there's profit. So if you're looking for a career that's dynamic, fun, and lucrative, the esports industry is waiting for someone exactly like you.